flesh in human frame, hope in humble birth. Virgin pure and faithful bride, ark of covenant true, in your womb the promise lived, God made love. At the cross you stood, pray for us who journey still, weak yet called to love. Holy Mary, Mother blessed, guide us to your Son. Teach our hearts to trust as you, till his will be done.